Tensions are rising between two parties over a recent dispute. Both sides are exchanging statements as the situation continues to develop. Patrick De Jesus has the report.
The world war between Philippine Coast Guard spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, and the Chinese embassy here in the Philippines heats up. One of the issues now being opposed by the Chinese embassy, calling it a red line and a political provocation, is Tariela's use during a forum of an AI-generated and satire image of Chinese President Xi Jinping. Because of this, the Chinese embassy has filed a diplomatic protest against Tariela, which it conveyed to Malacanang, the Department of Foreign Affairs or DFA, and the Philippine Coast Guard. The Chinese embassy wants the Philippine government to clarify whether Tariela's statements represent the country's position. They also emphasized resolving issues between the two countries through dialogue. The DFA has not yet issued a statement on the ongoing exchange between the Chinese embassy and the PCG official. Tariela, meanwhile, responded, saying that the Chinese embassy's apparent interference in the internal affairs of the Philippines is a violation of the Vienna Convention on Diplomatic Relations. The official hit back, saying this can be considered intimidation over his reporting on national sovereignty. Tariela added that what China is doing in the West Philippine Sea is not smearing, but is documented by various forms of evidence. He said that true dialogue begins with accountability and respect for sovereignty. Tariela also assured that the government will not be intimidated in asserting the country's rights in the West Philippine Sea through peaceful means and based on facts, which he also stated in an interview earlier this week.
As far as the Coast Guard is concerned, our transparency efforts allow the Filipino people to be more aware of what's happening in the West Philippine Sea, and at the same time, our international community also to understand that China is the one that violates the rules-based order and even endangers the peace that we all enjoy in the entire South China Sea. Lagi tayong may resibo. We always have photos, always have videos.
According to an expert, the current actions of the Chinese embassy is because the government's transparency initiative in the West Philippine Sea is already producing results, exposing China's aggressive activities.
As we know, Commodore J. Tariela personified, and of course it's the personified the transparency initiative. His role, of course, is to articulate primarily to the Filipino public, and of course the international community, Chinese expansion and harassment. I support what he's doing, and I support our transparency initiative.